Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. It is class 11th subject economics, and our today's topic is another term relating to this economic reform, that is privatization. Yes, dear students, these days we are discussing various economic reforms. So far, we have discussed one term relating to the economic reform, that is liberalization. Today, we will discuss another term relating to it, that is privatization. Yes, dear students, what is privatization and what measures were adopted by the government for it? Let us discuss. Dear students, privatization simply means shift the ownership of public or state-owned enterprise in the hands of private ownership. Dear students, now the question here arises is why the process of privatization was needed and made in operation. Dear students, need for privatization was felt mainly because of the inefficiency of public sector. Yes, dear students, when the policymakers realized that the enterprises in the hands of government or under the control of government does not make any contribution or makes contribution very little to the development of the country, so the need of privatization was felt. Dear students, most of the enterprises of the public sector were running in loss. That is why the privatization was undertaken. The main reason behind it was that the managers of the public sector enterprise were not free to take any decision independently. All important decisions were taken by the ministers who were more concerned with their political interests. It took long time to take decisions. Consequently, production capacity remained underutilized. Managers failed to function in responsible manner, causing productivity to go down. All these factors contribute to the inefficiency of the public sector. Dear students, जैसा कि मैंने आपके साथ ये डिस्कस किया कि वाई देयर वाज नीड ऑफ प्राइवेटाइजेशन. अगर हम प्राइवेटाइजेशन की नीड इसलिए बढ़ गई, इसलिए इसकी ज़रूरत हो गई प्राइवेटाइजेशन की, क्योंकि जो स्टेट ओनर्ड यानी कि गवर्नमेंट ओनर्ड इंटरप्राइजेज थे या इंडस्ट्रीज़ थी, उनमें कुछ ऐसी डेवलपमेंट नहीं हो रही थी जितनी कि उनमें कैपेसिटी थी. यानी कि फॉर एग्जांपल इफ़ वी टेक एग्जांपल latest examples that many these public enterprises were made this to were shifted to private sector. If we take the example of SRTC employees, this SRTC was running in debitus. There was no development in this SRTC sector. So गवर्नमेंट को फिर जो SRTC के एम्प्लॉइज़ थी उनको तनख्वाह देनी पड़ती थी. तो फिर जब ये कॉरपोरेशन बिल्कुल घाटे में ही चल रही थी, तो गवर्नमेंट ने सोचा कि अब जो ये मुलाजिम हैं इसके ये भी बोझ ही बन रहे हैं, क्योंकि ये इतना कंट्रीब्यूट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं जितना कि इनको कंट्रीब्यूट करना चाहिए था. अब ये इतना कम कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं कि ये अपनी सैलरी भी जनरेट नहीं कर पा रहा है इस सेक्टर में. तो गवर्नमेंट ने सोचा कि हाउ कैन वी ओवरकम दिस लॉस. तो गवर्नमेंट ने एक पॉलिसी सोची जिसको हम कहते हैं गोल्डन हैंडशेक. गोल्डन हैंडशेक के नाम से वो ये एक डिसीजन लिया गया था, उसी नाम से वो मशहूर है, उसको कहते हैं गोल्डन हैंडशेक. तो गोल्डन हैंडशेक क्या था? गोल्डन हैंडशेक में फिर गवर्नमेंट ने ऐसा किया कि SRTC की जो गाड़ियाँ थी, बस मेनली बसेस थी, तो फिर गवर्नमेंट ने सोचा ये डिसीजन लिया कि जो एसआरटीसी की बसें थी वो फिर उन मुलाजमीन को ही दी गई, यानी कि उन्हीं को दी गई, और उनसे ये कमेंटमेंट लिया गया कि अब वो और ये कंपेल नहीं करेंगे कि हमें तनख्वाह दे दो या हमें इसी में मुलाजिम रखो कायम। तो उनको यानी कि इस कंपनी को यानी कि इस कॉरपोरेशन को बंद करने के लिए गवर्नमेंट ने यही एक पॉलिसी सोची कि हाउ कैन वी ओवरकम दिस डिफिकल्टी। सो ही गेव द गोल्डन हैंडशेक, दैट इज ही गिव्स buses to these employees and overcome the difficulty. So dear students, what measures were adopted for privatization? The main measures which were adopted for privatization, among one of them is contraction of public sector. Process of Yes, dear. Contraction of initially in economic development of India, public sector was accorded prime importance. As observed by Dr. Manmohan Singh, priority was given to public sector in the hope that it would help capital accumulation, industrialization, development, and removal of poverty. But none of these objectives could be realized. So the policy of this privatization was realized. And another major, or we can say which was adopted for this privatization, was disinvestment in existing private sector industries. Process of disinvestment has been initiated by the government in the respect of those public sector industries which had been running into loss. Yani ki it implies that the government has been selling out these industries to private sector, जो मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया कि फिर गवर्नमेंट को मजबूर ये करना पड़ा कि जो गवर्नमेंट ओनड इंटरप्राइजेस थी उनको प्राइवेट सेक्टर में शिफ्ट करना पड़ा, उन्हीं को देना पड़ा. The another major which was adopted for privatization is sale of shares of public enterprises. Government has been selling shares of many public sector enterprises and banks to financial institutions and public. As a result, private sector will acquire partial ownership over these enterprises. It is also an important step towards the privatization. So dear student, this was all about privatization and what measures were adopted, what was the need of privatization. This was all about the privatization. So far we have discussed two concepts relating to these economic reforms. First one is liberalization. Second one is this we have discussed this today, that is privatization. And I have briefly discussed with you when did these economic reforms take place in our country. So dear students, this was all about the concept of privatization. So with this I would like to depart from, I would like to quit the lecture here. So Allah Habza Nasir.